Recent renders shared by OnLeaks have given us the clearest look yet at the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra, and the buzz is already huge. These images show a sleeker, thinner design with more curved corners and a brand new camera island. After the disappointing Galaxy S25 Ultra, which many critics felt was too safe, Samsung seems determined to push forward this time. Design is one of the biggest talking points. Ice Universe reports that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will measure just 7.9 millimeters thick compared to the 8.2 millimeter S25 Ultra, while also trimming down to 217 grams, making it thinner and lighter than Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max, which sits at 8.75 millimeters and 233 grams. The corners will be slightly more curved, creating a softer, more comfortable feel in the hand. But the real design shift is on the back. Instead of the separate floating rings we saw before, Samsung is introducing a new camera island with smoother curves, bringing the three main sensors together in a cleaner and more premium look. Even the S Pen has been slightly redesigned to fit this new aesthetic. On the camera front, there's both exciting news and some concerns. Ice Universe confirms that the 200-megapixel main sensor will feature a wider f.1.44 aperture, allowing 47% more light intake compared to the S25 Ultra, which should dramatically improve low-light photos and videos. The 5x telephoto lens is also getting an upgrade, with a brighter f.29 aperture for sharper zoom shots. The ultra-wide camera will stay at 50 megapixels, which is still strong. The bad news is that the 3x telephoto lens, the one most people use for portraits, might not be upgraded after all. While early reports hinted at a 12-megapixel jump, Ice Universe now says it could actually stick to 10 megapixels with a smaller sensor, which would be a letdown. Samsung's display technology is expected to hold its crown. Ice Universe suggests the S26 Ultra will feature a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED screen with Samsung's latest M14 panel and COE technology. Samsung is also adding a new generation anti-reflection coating, which should beat Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max in outdoor visibility. Paired with the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, which Qualcomm just announced, the phone will deliver huge performance gains. This chip, built on a 3nm processor, promises 20% faster speeds and 16% better efficiency than the previous generation, and Samsung's custom 4 Galaxy version should push those numbers even higher. Battery capacity will stay at 5,000 mAh, but Samsung is finally addressing charging complaints. Ice Universe confirms that wired charging will increase to 60 watts compared to 45 watts on the S25 Ultra and just 40 watts on Apple's flagship. For the first time, the S26 Ultra will also support Qi 2 magnetic wireless charging, matching Apple's MagSafe system but with Samsung's ecosystem integration. With all these changes, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to launch in early 2026, likely around February during Samsung's usual Unpacked event. Pricing should stay steady at $1,299 according to reports, making it competitive despite the upgrades.